All right, fam. This is the all-new 2026 Toyota 4Runner Platinum, an icon redefined. Finished in striking supersonic red, this SUV blends legendary capability with unmistakable luxury. Bold, athletic, and unmistakably premium, the 4Runner Platinum is built to stand out, whether it's parked on the curbside or commanding the open road. At the front, the Platinum makes a statement: a dark chrome tri-bar grille, premium LED headlights, and a crisp daytime running lights and illuminated front Toyota emblem create a presence that's both redefined and aggressive. Every detail is designed not just to be seen, but to be remembered. From the side, the Platinum's sculpted profile is enhanced by 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, fixed running boards, and color keyed over fenders. We've got mud guards on here too, as well as the iForce badge. Platinum gets the blacked out handles and the black rails. Out back, LED taillights frame a powerful stance, while the hands-free liftgate adds everyday convenience with integrated LED cargo lighting and a power rear window. Loading gear and groceries has never been easier. This is a hybrid, so you lose a tiny bit of cargo space there versus the gas version, but the Platinum only comes with the hybrid powertrain. You get the speakers, the outlet, and then here, those are your rear cargo lights. Under the hood, the 2026 4Runner Platinum is powered by Toyota's iForce Max 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. The power is smooth, immediate. You can feel it in the pedal. It's crazy. And my guys know how to work on these. So this 4Runner is a body-on-frame construction, and it's got full-time four-wheel drive with a torsion limited slip center diff with locking capability. So this 4Runner Platinum is engineered for all conditions. It also has my favorite part, the adaptive variable suspension. The sweet spot on the limited and platinum new Toyota 4Runners is comfort mode for me. And when it's time to tow, the 4Runner Platinum is ready. It's got serious towing capability, trailer sway control, advanced backup guidance. It has an integrated trailer brake controller as well. This one also has Toyota Safety Sense with a camera up there and a sensor right there, radar right above that camera down there. And the advanced suite of driver assist tech gives you dynamic radar, cruise control, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist, lane tracing assist, pedestrian detection, pre-collision braking. The panel view monitor gives you 360-degree overhead view, like we used to call it a bird's eye view camera, right? And then, like all new Toyotas, it also has the Star Safety System, which enhances stability, traction, braking performance, right? It's all the software monitoring everything happening, keeps you going the way you're going. Makes it so it don't tip over if you have to, slam the wheel to the right or left when you're going at high speeds. Here we go in the second row of a Platinum with this Platinum only interior. I love that color. You also get heated second row seats. They recline. They have their own vents. You got the JBL for the tweeters. Okay, up front, the Platinum's exclusive interior sets a new standard for the 4Runner. The power adjustable seat with memory function ensures a perfect fit. You also have heated and ventilated seats. You have a tilt telescopic heated steering wheel. There's your power liftgate button, automatic high beams. You've got all the control for the steering wheel right there on your fingertips. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on this big monster screen. You also have a wireless phone charger and also HomeLink mirror now, digital rear view. So that's a camera, or you can make a flip it and turn it into a regular camera. And of course, you get a moonroof and Toyota connected services as well. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner Platinum Supersonic Red here at Toyota of Tri-Cities. Also comes with Toyota Care, 2 years or 25,000 miles of no-cost maintenance. Good here at my award-winning service department, plus a 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty covering all the electronics, all the computer chips. There's even computer chips in the seatbelt, right? Plus, here at Toyota of Tri-Cities, we take the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty that Toyota gives you, and we extend it out for our customers to 8 years, 100,000 miles at no cost to you, and good at any Toyota store in the country, over 1,400. This is more than an SUV. This is the Platinum Standard. I'm Justin Stevenson. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit the like button. If you want more car content from me and my buds over here at Toyota Tri-Cities, subscribe and follow. Thank you.